The process of reality checking is a form of mental training that increases metacognition by allowing the brain to become more aware of its own level of awareness. A higher level of metacognition in your waking state may carry over to your sleep. The prefrontal cortex of the brain plays a role both in reality testing and lucid dreaming. To improve your metacognition, you can do reality checks while you're awake several times a day. Follow these steps. Consider the question, am I dreaming? Make sure you are not dreaming by checking your surroundings. Be aware of how you are engaging with your environment and your consciousness. You can also set an alarm for every 2 or 3 hours to remind yourself to take stock of your situation. Here's some common reality checks used by lucid dreamers. Check your reflection in the mirror. See if your hand passes through a solid object, such as a wall or table. Try and push your finger through the opposite palm. Take a look at your hands. Do they appear normal? Count your fingers. The time on a clock constantly changes if you're dreaming. Pinch your nose and see if you can breathe. If you're still breathing, you're dreaming.